I'm Evan. I'm going to be skating from now on with Augie and Quentin. New permanent cast. I'm going to be new permanent, and this is my board. It's Element, Driftwood, and it's nice, that nice grip tape, orange hardware.
You got all the orange hardware. You got some
chucks. And
well, the truck's already.
Couple months, and I'll be skating with them from now on. So.
And he'll be teaching us how to do some kick flips later on. We'll have bike things.
Some film.
There's some pretty cool we guys.
And I'm gonna do this.
The 50-50 thing that I have done in like the second video we ever posted. So
I'm not professional, so if I land on my butt,
because right before he did this, right before
he has orange laces on his shoes, which I apparently don't like.
And right before he started filming this, actually, he did a practice run. He missed the rail completely and just fell, went right off the centerpiece and fell on his butt and just started riding on his butt.
You gotta get a lot of speed and
it looked like it hurt like crap.
Fall off. Faster than that.
Oh, see? Not professional at it.
Neither am I. I've only landed it once.
Let me try again.
I'll try.
Let's see if Austin will land it. Well, Augie. Just let me tell you. P.S. Austin won't land it. I've yet to see him land it. But don't tell him. There we go! You got it right here. Evan landed it. Well, like it's. Well, Augie make it.
Oh, anyways. Well, there's Evan.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna try. That's better.
Yeah, I guess I'll try one more time.
Alright, I'll see you guys some action. Alright. Where are you land? Well, there's Evan trying to do a doing a manual. There's Augie. No.
Well, anyways, that's it. Take it to the camera.
Alright, here's Evan. He'll try it one more time. That's it for this video.
Ollie too much.
Well, that's it for now, so.
Bye. I'll be teaching you how to do ollies and kickflips later on.
Yeah. Bye.